Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are going to see second part of today's study with me live. In this first we are going to see arithmetic questions. I have brought 15 arithmetic questions with me. Let's see these 15 arithmetic questions. First question. A boat takes 6:30 minutes to travel from A to B and then to back to A. The distance between A and B is 72 kilometers. Okay, 72 kilometers upstream plus 72 kilometers downstream. It takes 6:30 minutes. So 6:30 minutes. Okay. Next it says that if the ratio of the speed of the boat in still water to that of current is 7:4, 7:1. So here it will be 6 parts. This will be 8 parts. 6 12 times. This will be 8 9 times. So totally we have 9 plus 12, which will be 21 divided by P equals to 0 0 cancel, and we have 63 divided by 6. So 21 3 times 3 2 times. So P value will be 2. So P is nothing but 7P and 1P. Now the question asked is, what is the speed of the boat in downstream? Downstream means M plus S. So we need to find the value of M plus S, which is a total 8 parts. 8 parts value will be 8 into 2, which will be 16. So option E is our answer. Hi bro, where are you from? Okay, I am from Vizianagaram, Andhra Pradesh. Ravi Kumar, hello brother, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ravi Kumar. This is on your request. I brought the arithmetic questions. Okay, have you completed the first one? Reply me, Mr. Ravi Kumar. Okay, have you completed the first question? Shall we move to the second question? Shall we move to the second question? First, please do like the session. Abhilash, hi bro. Welcome to the channel. Have you completed the first question? I am going to explain once more. It takes 6:30 minutes to flow from A to B and then comes back to A. So, and the distance between them is 72. 72 divided by M plus S plus 72 divided by M minus S. It takes 6:30 divided by what it is, 60. Okay, here it is given that M is to S value is given as 7:1. So total here 8 parts. This will be 6 parts. 6 12 times 8 9 times. So 9 plus 12, which will be 21 by parts, equals to, this will be 63 divided by 6. So we get 3 divided by 2. Okay, so P value will be 2. If P value will be 2, then the question asked is, what is the speed of the boat in downstream? Asking about M plus S value. M plus S value will be 7 plus 1, 8 parts. 8 parts value will be 8 2 times, which will be 16. Option E is our answer. Okay, have you completed? Why don't you respond? यार please respond. Okay, we are moving with the second question. Is there any problem with the streaming? Nagendra, hi Nagendra. Is there any problem with the streaming? Why don't you commenting the answers? Please try to comment the answer or else respond for the question I'm saying. Okay. 160 liters of mixture of milk and water. The percentage of water is 35% only. So in 160, 35% is water. 35% is what means 48 plus 8, which will be 56. 56 is water. 56 water means milk will be 104. Nagendra 30. For which question? Okay, I have completed this one. It's very nice, Sekar. What about no? The milkman gave 40 liters of mixture to the customer, then added X liters of pure milk. So 40, here it is 56 and so 104 is to 56. What is the ratio for this one? 8 1 times, 3 times, 8 7 times, 13 is to 7. So here we take 26 and here we take 14. So it will be 2 and 4. From this we take 4 plus 4 8 and 9 minus 2 78, and seeing that X liters of pure milk is added. As a result, the percentage of water in the final mixture becomes 30%. 42 is nothing but 30%, means this will be 70%. 70% value will be X plus 78. What is the value of X? So 70% value will be X plus 78. 0 0 cancel, 3 12 times 12 7 times will be 84. So total 84. We have X plus 78. So 78 subtracting from this one, we get 6. 2 plus 4 6. So X value we got is what X? Wait a second, what is the mistake I made? 12 12 7 times 84. Let me see one more time. Here 160 milk, water, this will be 56 and 104. Okay, we are taking 40 liters of mixture in the ratio of 26 and 14. 42 left here. Here we left with 4 plus 4 8, 9 minus 2 7, 78. Some liter of pure milk is added. This is 30 parts. So 70 parts value will be 78 plus X. 0 0 cancel, 3 1 times 3 and 3 4 times. So this is a mistake I made. 7 14 times will be 84, I think. 7 4 times 28, 98. 98 minus 78, which will be 20. So answer will be 20. Option A is our answer. Hi Lalita, welcome back. Bhavani Akunuri, welcome, and it is right answer. Next one. Okay, Lalita, thanks for commenting and correcting that it is 98. Okay, let's see third question. We're going to see only 15 questions. Tomorrow I will take more questions from Arithmetic. At present I only brought with 15. Let's see this one. Two stations A and B, 677 kilometers apart from each other. One train starts from start A and B, total 677 kilometers. A from A starts at 2 p.m. at the speed of 59 kilometers per hour. And the train starts from B at 3:30 p.m. with speed of 48 kilometers per hour. How far from B will be the two trains meet? Okay, so we need to make the times equal. So for 1.5 hours it travels 59 plus half of 59, which will be 29.5 kilometers. Totally 88.5 kilometers it is covered. So 677 minus 88.5. Wait a second. So what we have is now we covered 6 677 minus 88.5. So what we get is 588.5 kilometers is the distance between the two trains. Okay, now the question asked is when they meet, means the difference distance is 5,585 divided by speed, relative speeds we need to see. 59 and 48, they are traveling in opposite direction. Sum of these speeds, which will be 107. So 107 5 times, which will be 5 times will be 535, 588. So we have 355. So 5.5 hours it takes to cross each other. So 5.5 hours it takes to cross each other means after 3:30 plus 5.5 hours. So for 5.5 hours from B, how far it will go means the speed from according to B side is 48 kilometers. So 48 into 5.5 we need to find to say that how far from B will they meet. So here we get, instead of 5.5 we can write this as 48 into 11 by 2, 24 times. So answer we got is 264 is our answer, option A. Is everyone trying to solve the questions? Please respond. I'm not sure. Are you responding? Okay, Lalita, have you completed this one? Do you understand? Do you understand this one? Shall we move to the next question? Nagendra, nice explanation, thank you. Shall we move to the next question? Nagendra, yes. Why you considered B speed? So it is asking about the distance, how far the distance it is from B they meet, asking about the distance of this part. So the time we know is that 3:30 we have taken. From 3:30 after 5.5 hours we need to see how much distance we traveled the train B this side. Okay. Oh, okay, I took a speed. Okay, so do you understand why I took the speed here? 48. We can do this side also, but after taking that distance we need to subtract from total distance, which is from 588.5. we need to subtract the total distance from this one. We get the value of this distance part. It takes 2 times, it takes little more time, so we are considering from B side. Next, shall we move to the next question? Nagendra already says yes, so let's move to the next question. Fourth question. The ratio of the present ages of P is to Q is 5 is to 7. Present ages of P and Q are in the ratio of 5 is to 7. If the ratio of P's age 4 years ago and Q's age 10 years hence, P 4 years ago and Q 10 years hence, 1 is to 2. So from this we can write this as 2P minus 8 equals to Q plus 10. Okay, what will be the ratio of P is 2 years hence and Q 6 years hence? So first we need to solve this one. Try to solve this one and comment the answer for this one. I will wait for your answer. Till then I will solve this one. 2 5 times 10. So instead of we have 5x and 7x. So 5 2 times 10x minus 8 equals to 7x plus 10. So we have 3x value equals to 8. 3x value will be 18. So x value will be 6. So x value 6 means we got the ages of P and Q. P is 5 6 times 30. Q value will be 7 6 times 42. Okay, now the question asked is the ratio of P 2 years hence 32 is to Q 6 years hence 48. 16 2 times and 16 3 times. We got the ratio of this one. Bhavani Apuri, please try to check this once more. We got 2 is to 3 as our ratio. How do you got the option C? Please respond to the question. Bhavani Akunuri, option A this time. Okay. Lalita, what happened? Have you completed this one? It's so easy question. Option A, okay. Nagendra, what happened to you? Where are you? Shall we move to the next question? Shall we move to the next question? S. Nagendra S. Okay. Let's see the next question. Every month, Sunaina invests 30% of his monthly salary in a gold scheme and pays 15% as a house rent out of the remaining monthly income. Okay, let's take 100. 30 is invested and pays 15% for rent. Left with 55. Out of the remaining monthly incomes, she spends groceries and paying bills in the ratio of 5:6. This is in 5:6. Groceries and bills. If the amount spent on groceries in a year is 9600, here talking about monthly, but it is yearly. So let's take that monthly means 96,000 divided by 12, which will be 8,000 for groceries. Okay, does anyone have the answer? We are reached to our answer. Now the question asked is, what is the amount she invested in the gold scheme? So we got that 5 parts value is 8,000. Now we need to find the 30 parts value. 51600 3 16 times, which will be 4 8. Wait a second, what is the mistake I am doing? 5 parts value is 8,000. 6 times 8, 6 times will be 48. Sorry, here it is not 5 parts value, it is totally 5:6 means 5 by 11, 11 5 times 25 parts. 25 parts value is 8,000. So this will be 5 times and this will be 6 times. 5 16 times. So answer we got is 6 into 16, 9600. 9600 is our answer. Option E, right answer. Bhavani, right answer. It is 25 parts. Okay. Here it is in the ratio of 5:6. So it must be 25 parts, and this will be 6 5 times 30 parts. Okay. The remaining people, please do respond for the. Shall we go for the next question or not? And please do comment your answer also. It will run shortly for some viewers. Okay. Option E. Lalita says option E, right answer. Next one. Sixth question. Let's see this question. First of all, please do like the session. The new people who came here, please do like the session and subscribe my channel. The question given is the ratio of the percentage of A is to B. Sorry, A is to B percentage is in 4:5, so that the percentage of C is to D. C is to D is 7:5. The average percentage of A, B, C, D is 27. So A plus B plus C plus D total value will be 27 4 times, 54 2 times 08. Okay, and D's age 3 years hence will be talking about D's age 3 years hence will be 14 years less than A's present age. So A's present age will be 4x. Okay, Now we can able to solve our question. We need to find B's percentage. So this will be 4x 5x, totally 9x parts, plus C is nothing but 7y. D, instead of D we can write 5y. So we have 5y here. Sorry, this part, instead of this part we can write 5y. Does anyone have answer? This is 5y. So 5y value will be 3 goes other side with minus 4x minus 4x minus 17 is the D value. So D value is 4x minus 17 means we can write the value of C also. 5y is 4x minus 17. So y value will be 4x minus 17 divided by 5. So instead of 7y we can write this as 40. Lalita got 40 as your answer. Okay, 7 4x minus 17 divided by 5. This is why I'm not taking the live arithmetic questions, because I will have so much enough space to cover all these arithmetic questions. So Lalita got 40 as your answer. So what we have is a 9x plus, let's say, make some space. Where shall we make space? So 7 into 4x minus 7 divided by 5 y value. So 9x plus 7 4 times 28x. Here it is 5 in the denominator plus 4x minus 17 whole equals to 108. Other than Lalita, anyone got the answer? Mr. Nagendra and Bhavani, what happened to you? We got 9 5 times 45x plus 7 4 times 28x minus 17 17 times 119 plus 4x minus 19. So minus 19 comes in this. We have totally minus 36 equals to 8. So this becomes 136 plus 108. Only Lalita says the answer. What happened to the remaining people? Please do comment the answer for this one. So we got 4 plus 45, it will be 49. 49 plus 28. 49 plus 28, which will be 77. 77 parts of x, 77x equals to, we have 244. 244. Does anyone got the same? I don't think so. Lalita, would you like to explain first what we need to do? A plus B plus C plus D will be 27 4 times. 27 4 times will be the value of 54. 54 2 times 108. Okay, next instead of D we can write D plus 3 equals to 14 years less than A. Why don't no one's commenting and no one is responding? A minus 14. So instead of D we can write A minus 17. Given that A is 4:5, so totally we can write this as 9 parts, 9x plus we have the ratio of C is to D is also, which is 7:5. C is to D 7:5. Let's take them as Y. So here we have 5Y value is A value, which is 9x, sorry 4x. Okay, Lalita is responding, says that 4x minus 5y equals to 17. 4x minus 5y equals to 17. Okay, nice. 9x plus 12y equals to 108. Okay. C value is 7y. Solve two equations, we get x equals to 8. Okay. So how you got 4x minus 5y equals to 17, that is fine. And how you got 9x plus 12y? Where is about C? I didn't understand this one. Can you please explain? Nine x plus 12 equals to 25. Okay, fine. Okay, I got this one this time. So we got 4x plus 5x plus 7y minus 5y whole equals to 27 4 times, which will be 108. Now we can say that from this one. So here we get 9x plus 12y equals to 108, and the condition we have here is which is D minus 3. D minus 3 means 5y minus 3 equals to A, which is 4x minus 14. So from this we can get the value of 4x minus 5y value will be 17. Now we got two equations, x and y equations. By solving these two we get the value of x and y. From that we can able to find the percentage of B. Okay, Lalita, this time I got the answer. Bhavani also says the answer is 40. So here we got the x value is 8. Okay, 8 means B value 8 5 times. 40 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Thank you, Lalita. Next one. Sometimes it happens to me also to solve some questions very difficult. I feel very difficult to solve some questions. Let's see question number 7. A trader marks up his goods such that he can gain 5% profit after giving 20% discount to his customers. So if MP market price 20% discount means sells at 8 by 10, it will be selling, and on selling price it gained 5% means 105 divided by 100 cost price. Okay, so we can get the ratio of MP by CP. So 0 0 cancel, be 21 times 2 times, so MP by CP we got 21 divided by 16. Okay, let's say example we take extra zeros. So market price value is 210, cost price value is 160. We are assuming this one. Okay, it says that one particular customer availed a discount of 10% only. Actually 20% discount is given, but here 10% is only given. 10% on market price, which will be 21 only given. 21 given means selling price will be 9, and this will be 20 minus 2 18 189, and says that the profit earned by the trader from his customer is 58 rupees. So here the difference between these two, which is 29 parts, 29 parts is says is nothing but 58 rupees. If it is 58 rupees, then one part value will be 2 times. Asking about the cost price of the goods, one part value 52 rupees, one part value will be 2 means 160 into 2 times we need to find 160 into 2 times, which will be 320. Option E is our answer for this question. Does anyone understand? Okay, let us say right answer. Next one. Everyone clears this one? What is why, Mr. Narendra? Shall we move to the next question? Now we are going to see the next question, 8th one. Let's solve this one. Average number of pages typed by a typist on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday is 39 3 times. 9 3 times 27, and 3 times 9 117. Okay, the average number of pages typed by a typist on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday is 26 3 times. 3 6 times 18, and 3 2 times 6 7 78. Okay, if the typist typed 36 pages on Thursday, so it says that the value of this one is 36. So subtracting 36, we get the value of 42 for Tuesday and Wednesday. 42 for Tuesday and Wednesday. Then we can find the value of M on Monday. It will be 117 minus 42, which will be 5 and 75. The question asked is the number of pages typed by him on Thursday. On Thursday, total 36. Is what percentage less than that on Monday? On Monday we got 75. The difference between these two is 29 divided by talking about less means we take a bigger value, which is 75 into 100. So does anyone have the answer? Lalita says 52 as our answer. 4 divided by 3. Why always I am making mistakes? 39 divided by 75. Sorry, it is not 29, it is 39. Okay, it will be 13. 13 4 times will be 52. So answer will be option C, 52. Bhavani also says answer 52, right answer. Nagendra, have you seen? Let's see the next question. Ninth one. Ninth question. Here we see X was invested in a scheme which offers at 10% per annum for 2 years. So 20% per annum. The amount received. Talking about amount. So total amount will be 120 divided by 100 of X is invested into scheme B, which offering simple in compound interest 20% per annum for 2 years. So for 2 years 20% means 44 percentage, and saying about amount received. So amount received will be 144 divided by 100% is given that 53568 divided by 100. Wait a second. Let's take this as a 0.80. Calculate this one and comment your answer. Value of X. If we take 00 that side, we get the value of 535680. Okay. Next. 3100. It is right answer. Here we get 12 4 times 48 55 means 4 times 48. Wait a second, please try to solve this one. Sorry for the interruption. Let's see one more question. Please try to solve this question. I will be back. So let's see this one. Here a vessel contains X liters of milk and B contains X liters of milk and B contains Y liters of water. From vessel A and B 60% of milk, 60% of milk. So 6 by 10 of X and 12% of water. 12% of water was taken out. So these are taken out and mixed in a vessel C. So in vessel C we have these two only. Says that the ratio of the quantity of milk and water in vessel C was 25:4. So saying that 6 by 10 X divided by 12 by 100 Y equals to 25/4. 6 by 10 divided by 12 X by Y value will be 25 divided by 4. So what we have here is 0 0 cancel, 4 3 times, and we have 5 times, 5 2 times, 3 2 times. So totally what we have is X by Y equals to 5 divided by 4. If 20 liters of more than Y, so it is saying that if X was 20 liters more than Y, so talking about the difference between these two is 20. So one part value will be 20 means we can find the value of X. And the question asked is about quantity of milk in the vessel C. So we need to find the value of 6 by 10 of X. 6 by 10 X value we got is 5. Here one part value 20 means 5 parts value will be 100. So we got 60 as our answer, option A. Okay, this time Salini says right answer and Lalita also got right answer. Now we are moving with the next question. Am I audible? Am I understandable? Does the question I explained is understandable or not? Let's see this question, 11th one. Prakash, Sunil, Vikas invested 11.65, 11 lakhs. Sunil 16.5 lakhs and Vikas 8.25 lakhs. The profit earned by them at the end of 3 years was 19.5. Audible and understandable. Okay, thank you. Years. So for 3 years means we can eliminate all the 3. What will be 58% of Sunil's share in the profit? So this is total profit. So instead of 0.5 we write this as 0 here, again one more 0 here, one more 0, and this will be 825. So from this the ratio we get is we can eliminate. What is the ratio we get here? 5 2 times 0, 5 3 times 0, 5 1 times 5, and 6 times 30, 5 times. We can see that again 4 times 6 times and 6 times 33 times. So we get 4 is to 6 is to 3 as the profit share ratio. Okay, so asking about share of Sunil share 6 by 13 of 19.5 lakhs and 58 percentage of that 58 divided by 100. Try to solve this one and give the answer for this in the comment. Try to solve this question, this one, and comment the answer for this one. Fifty-eight 9 times, it will be 522. So we got a 522. So our answer must be 522,000. Is our answer. Option C is the answer for this question. Does anyone got the same answer? Does anyone got the same answer? The streaming is little slow, little not, it is so much slow. Now we are going to see the next question. In how many different ways we can the letters of the word service be arranged so that vowels come together? So vowels are E, I, E. Okay, these are 3 vowels and 2 are repeating. 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial into how many remaining letters we have? S, R, V, C, S. So how many places we can arrange these all vowels together is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and at the last 6. So 6 places. So totally we have 6 factorial. So we have 3 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 is the answer for this one. Nagendra says option C for which question? Question number 11. This is this much slow. The streaming is this much slow. So 30 and 33 times 90, 94 times 360, 360 and 6 times 2160. 2160. Why I got this one? Does it the right answer? Is it the right answer? Wait a second, here we made a mistake that we have 2 repeateds of S also. 2 repeateds of S also. So here also we need to write 2 factorial. 2 factorial means divided by 2. So we get 1080 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Is it okay? Why? Okay. Is this okay now? Okay. Now we are moving to the next question. Out of 5 women and 3 women, a committee of 3 members is to be formed, so that it has 1 woman and 2 men. So 1 woman and 2 men. In how many different ways this can be done? So totally 5 men. From 5 we need to select 2. So 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. Here it says that end means we need to multiply. Okay, end means we need to multiply. And 1 woman, total 3 women are there. 3 in 3 women we need to take 1 woman. So 3 into 2 into 1 divided by, this will be 2 times. 2 into 1, 3. Wait a second. What I mean to say is, here 3 women are there and we need to take 1 woman. It is so much noise from the background. Even I am not able to concentrate. From 3 we need to select 1. So answer will be 3. Okay. So we got to 2 times 5, 2 times 10 into 3, which will be 30. Option B is our answer. Here the answer is B, not A. The answer will be 5C2 for men, and for women we need to get 1 woman from 3. Actually I am little weak in permutations and combinations, so I know the basic method rather than the direct formula. Is this okay, everyone? Is this okay? Shall we move to the next one or not? Shall we move to the next one? Okay, Lalita 6 thumbs up. So please do like the session, remaining people. Just we have completed 13. 2 more questions we have. Let's see this one. What happened? In top, my streaming is little slow than original. Let's see this question. Suklaji spent 50% of his monthly income. So from 100, 50 is spent on household items. And out of the remaining, so from the 50 he spends 50 percentage, so 25 on transport, 25 percentage on the entertainment. 25 percentage means 1/4. So 50 percentage is 25. 25 percentage value will be 1/4 of 50. So 1/4 of 50 is spent on entertainment, and remaining will be 3/4 of 50. Sorry, it will not be 3/4 of 50. We'll have to with 2 times 25. 25 means 12.5. So the value for this one, wait a second. So here 25% on entertainment means 25% of this one, which will be 12.5 on entertainment. 10% on sports means 5 on sports, and the remaining amount is 1800. So remaining will be 30 plus 12.5, which will be 42.5. So we left with 7.5. 7.5 value is nothing but 1800. Is this the same what it is saying? Okay. Now the question asked is, what is the 62% of the Suklaji's income? So we need to find the value of 62%. What is the 62% value? Does anyone have the answer for this one? 7.5 value is nothing but 1800. We need to find the value of 62. 7.5 2 times will be 15, and we have 30 means 4 times 0, 24. 10 comes here downside, into 62. We need to find the value of this one. So we have 0, 48 and 6 4 times 24, 6 2 times 12 plus 2 14. So we got the value of 08841. Answer is 14880. Tarun Reddy, welcome to the channel, and this is the right answer, option E. Ravikiran and Tarun Reddy are requested for the questions of arithmetic. So here is the answer, which is 14880. Now we are going with the last question, 15th one. Here the cost of fencing a circular plot at the rate of 12.5 per meter is 2475. So perimeter of a circle, which is 2 into 22 by 7, r for 12.5 rupees, it total costs 2475. From this we can able to find the value of r. Okay. In second statement it says that what will be the cost of fencing of a square plot at the rate of 16.5 per meter. Oh, Nagendra is so much fast, it takes 200%, it will be easy. Okay, previous one, talking about previous one. Okay. 2 times 11, 2 times 2 times and 5 times. Let's write this as 125 divided by 10. 25 5 times will be 125. This will be 9 times. So 5 2 times, 2 and 2 cancels. So what we have left is r equals to 9 divided by 9 into 7 divided by 2, and 7 times 63 divided by 2 is the r value. Now it says that if the radius of the circular plot is equal to the side of a square, and we need to multiply it with 16.5. So 4 into 63 by 2 is the perimeter of a square. For rupees 16.5, for 16.5 we need to find the value of this one. 2 times 2 into 16.5, which will be 33. 33 into 63. 63 into 3 into 11 times. 3 times. Thank you for the session. Okay, thank you, Mr. Tarun Reddy. 9, 3 times will be 9, and 3 6 times 18 into 11. So we need to find the value of 189 into 11. 189, 11 means 1 and 9 here. 9 plus 8, 17. 1 we have here. This will be 9. So we got 2079. 2079. Option A is our answer. It is not 2140. 2079 is our answer. Is this okay? Is it okay? Have you understand the question? Does you got the answer? Does everyone got the answer? Option A, okay. Is it understandable what I am saying, what I am explaining? Is it understandable or not? Please respond. Okay, Lalita says thumbs up. Lalita gives a thumbs up. 8 people are watching. Please do like the session. Those who didn't like the session, please do like the session. Now we are going to end this session. Is anything you want to ask me? Please comment. No Sprite. But I like Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Lalita, where are you from? Does anyone wants to clarify any doubts or anything you want to chat with me? Hyderabad, bro. So where are you studying? In Sridhar's Hyderabad branch or what? I studied in Sridhar's Vijayawada branch. Okay, Lalita, at home. Very nice. Okay, does anyone have anything you need to comment? I am going to end this session. Okay, no one is commenting. I took courses at CCE Anantapur. Okay, that's great. So remaining people, we have completed this session. And bro, daily chahiye bro. Like today morning and afternoon session. Like morning and afternoon session. And add reasoning session also. Actually, the content making is takes more time. Content making is takes so much time. So I will try. ఇప్పుడు చేస్తారా? At present reasoning. At present reasoning it is not possible. We will be back in the night. Today night. I think after 9. I don't know. I'm not sure that I can able to make video after 9 p.m. I'm not sure. I will share daily targets PDF to your Telegram. Even I do have daily targets PDFs. అవి సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. There is a problem in the PDF. I know that. Are you talking about Ashish Arora sir's studified PDFs? Copyrights, yes. Copyrights comes. Actually, I am giving the questions from those PDFs. So if you want to share the PDFs, send the PDFs without the watermark on that and the names of the channel on the PDFs. Then we will proceed directly. Is that okay? Screenshot this PDF చేసుకోవచ్చు బ్రో. స్క్రీన్షాట్స్ తీసి PDF చేసుకోవచ్చు బ్రోనా. ఇన్ ఐ లవ్ PDF యాప్లో PDF యాప్లో let me show you how I do this PDFs without watermarks. Here is the Telegram, and here with Ashish Arora sir's. Here is Ashish Arora sir. The questions we see today is from the 100, the paper 100. Let me show you. So from this we see the questions. See this question. Okay, I am erasing these Hindi text and also the watermark from this PDFs. Okay, these are the tasks I do for the content making. After that I am doing this one. I am going to back this because there will be copyright claims can come. Okay, got it bro. So Tarun, do you in my Telegram channel? Have you joined in my Telegram channel? Target SBI. This is my Telegram channel. Have you joined in it? పెద్ద కష్టమే వచ్చింది మనకి. If there is no copyright claims, we can directly solve daily PDFs from them. Lalita says bro, current affairs. I am actually preparing daily current affairs from Ashish Gautam sir. Daily current affairs. by Ashish Gautam sir. Do you speak in Telugu? Yes, I can speak in Telugu. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Joined long ago, okay. Kochana Teliria, what is your name? I didn't understand. So, we are going to end the session. We will be back. Maybe if possible, we'll see today night after 9 p.m. or else we'll see the next class in tomorrow 10 a.m. Is it okay? Please try to see does I am in live after 9 p.m. today, or else we'll be back in our live tomorrow. Thank you everyone.